Maybe Malcolm eba be bubu a ebubu kun krofo ye twam wo there ye twam peda obako ba say also for ye dey wan am so ye ko ba bi na so also no so fi India no dey ne bai enti on no hwe peda make che woman mutika no say acha 1 week 2 weeks time Malcolm will collapse and kill so many people because woman buy we see Malcolm no on menum moja. There are so many India follow they import yeah one import to India America, Japan, last year say second sword now so for Nukuta, juju kuto. Familiar spirit. One talk of juju is a familiar spirit. Then what the man would deal into what be ya boy, what be ye slave, don't come, what be ye obi a baby or de baby ye near open. Man kasame life testimony in America. A sacrifice to make you slave, to kill you, maim you, sacrifice.